Welcome to Georgeway mathTV.
Okay, so right now I see a figure right here that looks like somebody's head. It's very big. I know it's not my head though, but but I see a figure like that right here, and I'm being asked that what fraction of the figure is shaded. And when we talk about fraction, I know fraction looks like this. There should be a number at the top, and there should be a number at the bottom. And always, the number that goes to the top is part, and the number at the bottom is the whole or the total, right? So I'm writing what fraction of the figure is shaded. So that would be the part that goes to the top. So how many do I see shaded right here? Let me start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the total that I see right here? The total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that goes to the bottom right there. So that tells me, if I'm being asked what fraction of a figure is shaded, 5, 8, or 5 out of 8 is shaded. So 5 over 8 should be my answer.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.